is a spearfishing dance. We see that you fellas live near the ocean too. We live near the ocean. When we go spearfishing, we call it Yanda Jaka. You and Yanda Jaka. Spearfishing. Thank you. Back home, we call this little thing mulakama. Last night, my brothers, they got bit by a couple. Used to call them mosquitoes. In our language, mulakama for mosquito. Thank you. The next dance we're going to perform now is a black cockatoo dance. In our language for black cockatoo, we say nawa nawa, yuriak.